Well, this is Litre Toolbox Plus. Today we have a 2007 Toyota Prado, stock number 6162. It's ran from the 8th 2004 to the 10th 2009. It has a 1GRFE 4 litre 6-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1GRFE 6-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy good tyre. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. (17-inch spare wheel good tyre. Right rear taillight. Right rear door, 2 dents. Right front guard, no dents. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front 17-inch factory alloy good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.